Yep. Nice.
Alright, so we're basically going to hold, right?
We want to hold till they give us a go ahead?
Does he want us to hold?
Shit.
No, we should have been talking about this the whole time.
Let's rock and roll, gentlemen.
Rebels are en route.
Rebels are over here.
Yeah, what is that?
USA on it.
We might have the satellite here or something. Hey Spike, we might have a satellite or something back here. To your south. Hold that position, guys. We got the satellite back here, I think. Let's set up defense. Yeah. Yeah. Rebels are right there.
Well, he said there's one screw, so there's two of them. One's already been done.
There you go. Okay, pop, go. What's that? I know. I couldn't get the circuit board though. We looked at that. We got sure what the screw to talk about, but it's coming later. Yeah. No, I had to. Well, don't worry. I can't.
Rock and roll. Alright. Yeah. Push through it. Oh. Which way? Okay, I'll cover you. Alright, fall back, Chipman. I got you covered, yeah. We all clear at the satellite? Roger that. Satellite down. Roger that.
Serious? Okay.
This bill's
Nice cover, gentlemen. Yeah. Good job. Yep.
So you guys are secure?
Got you covered, boys. Satellite down.
We're clear to get it?
Good cover. They threw to get the satellite.
Or are you guys taking it?
We took what's inside of
We
it.
took what was inside of it.
We took our objectives out of it. It's all for you, I think, now.
Yeah.
Okay, so we can clear?
Yeah.
Affirmative. The Alpha team of the Americans say that the Bravo team American is friendly with us, and they have secured the satellite site, and they say
Right.
that they are ready for us to extract it. Roger.
All right. We'll push back. You boys all good? And girls? Roger that. Go.
Gotta fucking put this somewhere. We can't be carrying the shit.
We can put it at our spawn where we start.
And then secure it. I can stay with it, but
Canister to the starting point.
Okay, let's do it.
Just leave it there.
Hide it, yeah.
hide it.
Go back to it.
All right, guys. What's our next objective? Push up to this tree. You can take this one. I got eyes on. They might be our guys, though. I don't know. Like dark. They started pushing down the top of Rubber Road this way. They're probably friendly, yeah. Want me to push up a bit and take a peek?
Just want to be.
What's our objective next?
Just wait for the camera to get up.
Okay, I'll go to this tree up here. I'll be right back. Looks like our boys are in a little firefight up here. I think the enemy have taken position at the down trees. Alpha is in location by the wood piles at the top of Rubber Road, looking for the commander.